Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. You have to start by open Backbeat application. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to go to the settings at the right top. Then right here at the bottom we have headset support, tap at this line, and right here we have FW, what means firmware version, and firmware version is the same as software, so right here you can check it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!